Hey guys, TechMan TV here with a overview of the new Marvel application for the iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch. So right now I just have one comic. It is a free Spider-Man. So there's a bunch of screens down here. As you can see, there is My Comics, Featured, Free, Top 25, and Browse. The first thing is My Comics. So previously viewed, recently download. You can browse your comics by series, creator, and genre. You can sign into Marvel.com, and there's a bunch of extras over here, including a Find a Local Comic Shop section, send feedback, read instructions, and some other stuff. The instructions are actually really useful if you want to learn how to use this. They're actually pretty coolly made. So here we are. How's it going? They call me Ironman. And it shows if you tap on the right side of the screen, it goes to the next part of the comic in the guided tour section. Left screen goes back, and the top or the bottom, it will open this little menu up here. Anyways, the next section is Featured, and this is the section right here. This is the part that kind of looks like the App Store, where there's a featured section, new, popular, and rating. And then there's some featured apps over here, or comic books in this case. Next is New. So these are the new ones from April 1st, 2010. Popular. Anyways, rating. This is by the rating, so the first ones are the 5 stars, all the way down to 1 star if there's any. Next is Free. So here you can browse by free comics. And right now I just downloaded the first one, the Spider-Man, Amazing Spider-Man 1999, number 546. Of course, now there's only 6, but I'm sure it's a new application. There'll be more that you can download later. Next is Series. So you can view by series, also by the rating, like in the first, like in the featured section. So right now I have this one, like I said. Anyways, the next section is the top 25, where you can browse most popular by series, creator, or genre. So series, you can view by all these different series. There's a lot of comics in this, actually. Not as much as I'm sure there's going to be in the future, but, it's just a new application, came out yesterday. I keep saying that, but, it is a new application. So you can view by X-Men, Wolverine, etc. Let's go into Ironman, and it's basically the same layout as you were seeing before. You can view by creator, and there's a bunch of creators here, as you can tell. You can view by genre. So action, adventure, crime, horror, superhero, and zombies. So let's just go into action and adventure. Click on one, and this is the little preview. There's also a people also like section. And so you see the rating, you can buy it in print, view preview, and there's a little description of the comic. So let me show you the view preview, and here we are. You can't actually zoom in or anything. All it is just a basic preview. There's 3 different slides. Next is Browse, where you can search. So I can type in Hulk, and I can get something by the Hulk. So you saw the different Hulk comics that came up. This isn't all. There's also series and creators you can search by. You can browse by series, creator, genre, rating, storyline / arcs, and release date. So let's go into My Comics now, and I'll show you what a comic is like when you're viewing it. Right now, I just have the Amazing Spider-Man, like I said. This is a free one that I have, and let's just go in and to read it. Okay, guys, here we are on the first page right here, and if you want, you can just zoom in anywhere. You can use a nice pan and zoom right there. You can switch to the next one by going like that, or you can click anywhere and then just switch by the arrow. And when reading a comics, there's actually something cool called guided reading. So let me zoom in and click on the right side of the screen, and it gets me to the next part of the guided comic. So it zooms into all the text, and when it's done, I set it to go into full screen mode. Now let's go to the next comic. And so that's basically how the comic viewing is like. You see, sometimes it'll zoom into just that little area like it just did right here. And now there's black bars on the top and bottom. And yeah, guys, that's basically it for the Marvel Comics iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch walkthrough. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to comment below on your opinion on this application. Of course, this is one of the most highly anticipated applications for the iPad launch, which is tomorrow. Thanks for watching.